First standard Maths Chapter 11 Notes and Coins.
Hi students, welcome to the Maths class. Today we are going to learn about notes and coins in chapter 11. Okay? Chapter 11 N-O-T-E-S notes, A-N-D and C-O-I-N-S coins. In chapter 11 notes and coins. Shall we learn, kids? Now listen here, kids. We have money in the form of metal coins and paper notes. Okay? They are in two forms. First one is metal coins and the second one is paper notes. Now listen here. This is 1 rupee coin. Okay, this is 1 rupee coin. A coin has two faces. A coin has two faces, head and tail. The value of a coin is written only on one side of its sides. Okay, the face with the value written on it is known as tail. The face without the value is known as head. Okay, this is tail, this is head of the coin. So this is a 1 rupee coin. Now see the next one. Okay, now see the value of a coin. These are 2 rupee coins. Okay, these are 2 rupee coins, old one and new one. Okay, the value of the coin is tail. Now see the next side. This is head. Okay, these two are 2 rupee coins. Now see the next one. See the value of a coin. See how much is this? Yes, 5 rupee coin. Okay, 5 rupee coin. Now see the head of the coin. This is the head of the coin. This is the tail of the coin. Okay. Now see the next one. 10 rupee coin. 10 rupee coin. Okay. Tail and head. Okay. Now see the coins. 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. Okay kids, shall we see some old coins? Now look at here. This is a 5 paise coin. Okay, this is a 5 paise coin. Now see the next one. See the value of coin. This is a 10 paise coin. Okay. Next one is 20 paise. Okay, this is a 20 paise coin. See, this is a 25 paise coin. Okay, 25 paise coin. Okay, nowadays these coins are not in usage. 5 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise and 25 paise coins. Okay kids, shall we see some notes? This is a 10 rupees note. Okay, this is a 10 rupees note. The value of a note is written on both sides of the notes. Okay, 10 rupees, 10 rupees. Now see the next one. This is a 20 rupees note. Okay, this is a 20 rupees note. Okay, in this note also value of the note is written on both sides of the notes. 20 rupees note. Okay, now see the next one. This is a 100 rupees note. This is a 100 rupees note. 100 rupees note. Okay, see the next one. This is a 200 rupees note. Now look at the picture. Who is he? Tell me. Yes, he is Mahatma Gandhi ji, father of our nation. Okay, 200 rupees note. This is a 200 rupees note. Now see the next one. See, this is a 500 rupees note. This is a 500 rupees note. Okay, then see the last one. Now see the value of the note. This is a 2000 rupees note. Okay, this is a 2000 rupees note. Okay, 2000 rupees note. Okay kids, shall we see some foreign coins? Yes, these are Malaysian coins. Okay, then next one, Sri Lanka coin. This is a Sri Lanka coin. Then this is a Peninsula coin. This is a Peninsula coin. This is a Rome coin. This is a Rome coin. The next one is Italy coin. Okay, this is a Italian coin. See the picture. See the coin. This is a USA coin. Okay, USA coin. Then see, this is a Singapore coin. Singapore coin. Shall we do one activity, kids? Now take one coin. Okay, take one coin and keep the coin below a paper. Below a paper, keep one coin and trace the coin. Okay, trace the coin. Now again turn the coin and trace. See the both sides of the coin. See the both sides? Yes. This is tail of the coin, ₹5. This is head of the coin. Okay, you try this in your home. I hope you are all understand the concept. We will meet in next class. Bye kids.